Let's get started. First, I'm going to detangle my hair with a wide tooth brush, and I'm going in with my leave-in. You can use any leave-in of choice. I'm using this Shea Moisture 100% coconut oil, and I'm also going in with the Eco Styler gel. You can also use any gel of your choice, and I'm just going to go ahead and smooth that through my hair. And I'm using rubber bands to secure the back portion of my head. Once we get to the front, I'll show you guys I don't use the rubber bands. That way I can have a more natural look. So I'm using this pre-stretched hair, which is going to be good because at the ends it's wispy already. And this is 60 inches, so super long, but you will see I will be adding even more hair to make them even longer. So right here, as you're seeing, I'm just going to poke like a little hole in between of the rubber band and my hair. And I'm going to pull through one side. That way I have two equal parts. Then I'm just going to go ahead and tighten that rubber band and start twisting. So I'm going to split my hair into two equal parts. And as you're seeing me twist, I'm twisting the hair in the opposite direction. And then I'm twisting around itself. That's going to really lock in the twist and not have it expand on you. You know, like when you twist your hair and then it just like gets fluffy and bigger. These are going to get fluffy, but it's also going to keep its shape a little bit longer. So it's going to lock in your twist. So I just want to show you guys again up close. This is like so easy, y'all. I'm telling y'all, like, you're going to thank me. So once you put in your rubber band, you're just going to go ahead and split your hair, make a little hole. Then you're going to grab in the middle of the hair, pull one side all the way through, and just make sure it slides evenly so there are no snags or anything. And then you're just going to stretch like the rubber band to make it tight, and then go ahead and twist. And I did a closer up shot so you guys can see that twisting and then twist motion. It's like a double, I don't know how to explain it, but you can see right here, I'm just like twisting the hair like a rope and then twisting it around itself. So for the ends, I decided to just go ahead and tie them in a knot instead of using a rubber band. That's going to be a more seamless look. So I literally just twisted it all the way down to the end and then tied it in like two knots. So now I'm showing you guys the front for a more seamless look. I'm not adding the rubber bands. I'm literally just adding the hair in. And I'm going to show you again in the next clip so you can see. You can either put the hair underneath or over top. And the key is to really like do the rope method. So that is going to lock the hair in place. So as you can see, I'm holding really tight, and sorry my hair is in the way. But now I'm like twisting the hair individually and then twisting around itself. And I like doing this for the front ones, not adding the rubber band like I said, so it can look like your hair. And then just twist it all the way down, and of course just tie the knot. Also in this clip, I'm going to show you guys that I added some more hair to give it some more length. So again, you're just going to place the hair and then do the twisting motion to lock it in and then twist down. So it's really seamless. You're not going to tell where you added hair, where your hair or the added hair starts or stops. And that is pretty much it, you guys. Like I said, this is like the easiest style ever. It took me under 2 hours, and I love that it's going to look even better once it gets messy. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Bye.